Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide profile picture in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide profile picture in Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And after opening your Viber app, guys, you can see the more button available for us at the bottom right corner of the screen with the three dotted icons. Tap on it and tap on the settings over here, which is just our My Notes. And over here you can see there is a privacy option available for us, which is the second one. Tap on privacy, and over here you can see there it says the show your photo option available for us, which is the fifth one over here, just below the disappearing message. By default you can see it says show your photo, let users who aren't in your contacts see your photo. In order to hide your photo on Viber, guys, make sure that button is unchecked and unticked over there, and by doing that, guys, your photo will be hidden on Viber. And with that being said, guys, this is how to hide photo in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.